Science is supposed to explain everything. But what happens when even science says, we don't know? Some events break physics, some twist time, others just shouldn't exist at all, yet they do. These are real phenomena, studied, recorded, debated, and still completely unexplainable. If you've ever seen something that shouldn't be real, something you can't unsee, subscribe and drop a lightning bolt in the comments. Because tonight, we're diving into science's greatest unsolved glitches. At number 1, the Dyatlov Pass incident, 1959, 9 hikers. A normal winter expedition in the Ural Mountains, until it wasn't. Their tent was found ripped open from the inside. Some were barefoot in sub-zero snow. 2 had crushed skulls. 1 was missing eyes. Another, her tongue. Radiation was found on their clothes, and no one knows why. No footprints of an attacker. No logical cause of death. 2. The Bloop, 1997. In 1997, sensors across the Pacific picked up a sound so loud it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. It was deep, organic, and powerful, louder than a blue whale. Scientists called it the Bloop. It didn't match any known sea creature or geological sound. Years later, NOAA suggested it was cracking ice. But sound experts disagreed. The tone was alive. If it was biological, it would have to belong to something far larger than any living species ever recorded. So, what's moving down there that even sonar can't find? At number 3, time slipcases, Liverpool, 1996. A man walking to a bookstore suddenly finds himself in the 1950s. Same streets, same buildings, people in vintage clothes, old cars. Then, in a blink, it's gone. In France, a family reported seeing a 19th century hotel, stayed overnight, and when they returned days later, the hotel no longer existed. No drugs, no illness, just a moment where time folded on itself. Scientists call it temporal lobe glitches. But what if these aren't hallucinations? What if time is just a hallway, and some people accidentally open the wrong door? If you could step through time, even by accident, would you look around or run back? Drop a clock and subscribe if you've ever felt like you didn't belong in the moment you were in. At number 4, ball lightning pilots, soldiers, and scientists have all reported it. Glowing orbs of lightning that hover, float, even chase. They last seconds, sometimes minutes. The strangest part? They seem aware. They change direction mid-air. They follow aircraft. In some cases, they even pass through glass. Physicists have captured fragments of the effect in labs, but no one can explain how it behaves like it's thinking. If it's plasma, it shouldn't move like that. If it's energy, why does it seem to watch? Ball lightning isn't just a weather mystery. It's nature behaving like it has intent. 5. Sinkholes that appear overnight. 1 minute, solid ground. The next, gone. Houses, cars, entire streets swallowed without warning. Florida, China, Guatemala, Siberia. It's a global pattern. Scientists say it's groundwater erosion, but some holes open on rock-solid land with no cause beneath, no shifting, no flooding. It's as if the Earth just deletes itself. In 2010, a sinkhole opened in Guatemala City, 200 feet deep, perfectly circular and clean-cut like it was drilled. No collapse pattern, just a hole that wasn't there yesterday. So if the ground beneath us can vanish, what else can? The deeper science looks into the world, the more it realizes not everything fits. Sounds from the deep, time that slips, fire that floats, ground that forgets to exist. Maybe these aren't glitches. Maybe they're reminders that the world doesn't need our permission to be strange. Which of these science glitches messes with your head the most? And don't forget to subscribe to Real Take Unfiltered, where facts meet fear and reality hits pause.